Hey you guys, back with another video. My dinner is all done. Now I'm about to sit down and eat. This is the Knorr's rice. This is the creamy chicken right here. And this is my curry chicken. And I have my sweet potatoes right here on deck. There's some rice in my sweet potato. And my sweet potatoes here on deck. And of course I have my lemonade. And I have this hot sauce. Now I'm not particularly my favorite here. My favorite is Sweet Baby Ray hot sauce and the Red Hot. But this what I had on deck. This is watery to me. Some of you guys probably love it. But that's all I have right now. So that's what I will be using. So yeah, this is my dinner. Just a little Knorr's rice and sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes, guys. I can just eat that just by itself. And this is my chicken. So this is Sue dinner for today. And for dessert, let me show you what I'm going to have. Okay, you guys, this is for dessert. Cherry Garcia by Ben & Jerry's. It's cherry ice cream with cherries, and the cherries are chunky in here, and the fudge flakes, okay? So this is going to be my dessert, okay? So I thank you guys for watching. Let me get this ice cream back in the fridge for later on. So I'm enjoying my chicken, sweet potatoes, and Knorr's rice, and my lemonade. Okay, you guys. So I thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me. And be safe, you guys. And bye-bye for now.